Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about comprehensive human goal. So our today's topic is comprehensive human goal. Okay. So if we talk about question, okay, in examination, a question may be in the form of such as write the program to attain comprehensive human goal. Give examples. What are the five dimensions of human endeavor? How are they helpful in achieving the comprehensive human goal? Okay. What are the program needed to achieve the comprehensive human goal? List and define each briefly. Okay, guys. So, so let's start about comprehensive human goal. Comprehensive human goals are right understanding. First, right understanding. Okay, fearlessness. Okay, next coexistence. Next, programs needed to achieve the comprehensive human goals are first we will study education. Okay, education, right living. Okay, so it means shiksha and sanskar. Okay, so education, right living. Education refers to understanding harmony at all four levels of living, while right living refers to commitment and preparedness to live in harmony at all four levels of living. Okay, second, health and self-regulation. Health and self-regulation. See, it means swasthya and sanyam. Swasthya and sanyam. Okay, sanyam refers to a feeling of responsibility of nurturing, protecting, and rightly utilizing the body. When the body is fit to act according to the needs of the self and there is harmony among the parts of the body, it is referred to as health or swasthya. Okay, next thing is that justice. Justice and preservation. Okay, justice and preservation. Justice refers to harmony in the relationship between human beings, while preservation I means suraksha. Okay, so we can write here nyay and suraksha. So, okay, justice and it means nyaya refers to harmony in the relationship between human beings, while preservation, I mean suraksha, refers to harmony in the relationship between human being and the rest of nature. Fifth, fourth point is that production and work. Production and work. Okay. It means utpadan and karya. Utpadan and karya. Okay. So see, production actually, if we product anything, it belongs to work. Okay. Next, exchange and storage. Exchange and storage. Okay, it means vinimay and kosh. Vinimay and kosh. Exchange refers to the exchange, it means vinimay refers to the exchange of physical facilities between the members of the society, while storage, I mean kosh, refers to the storage of physical facilities that is left after fulfillment the needs of the family. So we can now see how these five dimensions are able to ensure the human goal. First, education, right living leads to right understanding. Right understanding. Okay, having the process of education and right living leads to right understanding in the individual. Next, ha- health, self regulation leads to prosperity. See, having having the program for health and Sanyam leads to well-being of the body and identification of need for physical facilities, which along with production ensures feeling of prosperity in the family. Next point, justice, preservation, preservation, okay, leads to fearlessness and coexistence. It means what? Ensuring justice in relationship or mutual fulfillment in relationship on the basics of values like trust, respect, etc. leads to fearlessness in society, while selection of nature via enrichment, protection, and right utilization leads to coexistence in nature. Okay, next, production, work. Okay, leads to prosperity and coexistence. Prosperity and coexistence. Production and work are for physical facilities, and this leads to a feeling of prosperity in the family. Production is done in harmony with nature, and hence this also leads to coexistence with nature. Next, exchange, storage leads to prosperity and fearlessness. Okay, when we store and exchange for mutual fulfillment and not for exploitation, then it leads to fearlessness in society. Okay, so in order to facilitate the fulfillment of the basic aspirations of all human beings in the society, the following human goal needs to be understood in a comprehensive manner. First thing is that when one does not have the right understanding, one remains disturbed and also acts in a manner or so as to create disharmony with other human being as well as with the rest of nature. Second thing is that prosperity in the family means that the family is able to identify its needs and is able to produce or achieve more than its requirements. Trust. Trust in society means every member of society feels related to everyone else, and therefore there is trust and fearlessness. Next, coexistence. Coexistence in nature means there is a relationship and complementarity among all the entities in nature, including human beings. Okay, so it was all about comprehensive human goal. Okay, so we have to discuss education, right living, health, self-regulation, justice, preservation, production, work, exchange, storage. Okay, these 5 points we have to discuss. Okay, next, actually, we can talk about one more thing here. Okay, explain the feeling of glory. What next topic we can discuss here? It's very short topic. Okay, feeling of glory and gratitude. Okay, feeling of glory and gratitude. Okay, see, glory is the feeling for someone who has made efforts for excellence. Okay, we find that there have been people in the history or even around us who are investing their time, energy, and their belongings to achieve excellence. Okay, to make others excellent. This gives us a feeling of glory for them. Okay, next, gratitude. Gratitude is the feeling for acceptance for those who have made efforts for my excellence. Gratitude is an emotion that occurs after people receive help, depending on how they interpret the situation. Specifically, gratitude is experienced if people perceive the help they receive as valuable to them. Okay, so so question may come that explain the feeling of glory. Okay, and explain the feeling of gratitude. Okay, so we have to answer like that. Okay, so friends, it was all about comprehensive human goal and very short topic we have discussed, glory and gratitude. Thank you very much. I hope you must have got knowledge. Take care of your health.